Hey everybody, Jarek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the WordPress desktop app. So to do that, you're going to want to open up a terminal window, and we will be using the Snap version of this. So please make sure you have the Snap store enabled on your system. Then you can do Snap search WordPress. It's going to search the store, and we can see WordPress-desktop. Now we can do sudo snap install WordPress desktop, and it's going to download everything that we need to use WordPress on Linux. From here we can open up our app menu, search for WordPress, and launch the app. And may take a couple of seconds to launch. Some snaps do. Once you get it open, you can log into your account, and you will need a WordPress.com account. I'm going to log in. So once you log in, you can see all of your WordPress stuff. So all of the sites that you follow. You can also go to your discovery stuff. And if you want to write a post to your blog, I've got a couple of old blogs I've had on here for a long time. You can find them and write to them. And let me show you. So it's all very cool. If you don't like the WordPress user interface, this is definitely a way to go. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I use WordPress a lot, obviously, because the site uses it, but even just in my personal time when I want to write, I prefer to use WordPress, and the app is really nice, especially on Linux. So I hope you guys check it out. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.